Hey there, got my birthday present in the mail. I already opened the lid so you could see my address. This is the new Stampin' Cut Emboss machine, which will be available to customers in September 2020. Right now it's available to demonstrators as a pre-order. It's also available in a starter kit if you were to join my team. You can choose this as one of your items. So it comes packaged really nice and secure, and it's got the quick start guide, and then it's got all the plates that you need to get started. So I will have to unwrap those and kind of read up a little bit. The magnetics plate and I believe the embossing plate are going to be available later, but those are in the annual catalog. Oh, this is pretty. I've seen this online, but I've not seen it in person. So this is my first time. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Okay, let me move the box out of the way. Actually, let me just take you over to a better surface to do this. Sorry, I'm holding my phone with one hand and filming with the other. Not working too well. Let's see if I can get this out one-handed. So here are all the plates that come with it. Here's the guide. See, they're all numbered. It should be really easy to get going with this thing. So here it is with the handle on. That just took me all of about 2 minutes. And it's about 14 inches with the handle. When you have the machine open, it's also about 14 inches from end to end. So I'm looking at the plates, and it has a really nice guide. So if you are using with thin dies, it's telling you to use number 1, which is I guess you would call it the base, and then number 2, and then 2 number 3s. If you're using with standard embossing folders, you're going to use number 1, not use number 2, but you use 2 number 3s. And then if you're using with 3D embossing folders, you're going to use the base and then number 4, which I think is the embossing plate that's not available yet, because I only have 1, 2, and 2 number 3s. But all of these plates come with the machine. So you have everything you need to get going, with the exception of the 3D embossing folders. And if you're like me, you have a few big shots laying around. You can continue to use those for 3D embossing folders until the other plate becomes available. Okay, so I'm setting it up to cut one of the wreath builder dies. So I've got my base plate, my number 2 plate, and then 2 of my number 3 plates, my sandwich basically. And so I'm left-handed. I'm going to start this on the left-hand side. I just really want to try this out. And I wanted to try it with a more intricate die just to see. Of course, every machine is different. And you hear that cracking? That cracking is normal for die-cut machines, because that tells you it's doing the work. And that was a little tight, but then again, this is the very first run through. But look at it. We're on the other side. Let's see how that did. I really like how when I move this out of the way, this is really nice and sturdy and big, and I can set it down there and I don't have it flopping all over the place. That's really a nice feature. Oh, see, that came right off. So let's just see what... Oh, see, that's really nice. That's really nice. I didn't have to do anything. And look at this. Barely anything is left behind. I mean, there's a couple of spots in here, but those are the really tiny spots that happen with any die cutting machine. And this comes right off. Wow. Wow, I really like this. I'm going to have fun. If you guys have any questions about this, or if you want to join my team and get this early, or if you want to wait and get it in September. But anyway, this will be available, I believe, the beginning of September for customers. And I think this is going to be a really nice workhorse machine. There's also a little mini one coming later. You know, COVID has caused some shipping issues and manufacturing issues, so we're all kind of dealing with that. But it is what it is. But this machine, both of these fold up, so I can see when I'm not using this, I can just fold it up, put it aside on my desk, and it takes up less room. But anyway, I'm really pleased with it in the 10 minutes that I've had it out of the box. Anyway, leave a comment if you have any questions or want me to contact you. Thanks. Have a great day. You know, after I shot the video, I realized that plate number 4 that I was talking about was actually included. I had just put it off to the side. So, and it actually says this is not a cutting surface. So I'll have to figure that out. And if I get my catalog out and look at it, it's on pages 170 and 171 of the annual catalog. It's the impression mats. It's the impression mats and the magnetic plate that are not available yet. This embossing plate, specialty plate is what they call it. That's for 3D embossing folders. So you can, so I lied. You can start using it with your 3D embossing folder. So it really does come with everything you need to get going. This one is more for dies that have the decorative ejection holes for detailed embossing. And then the magnetic plate, which I cannot wait to get this one, is it's a fully magnetic sheet with a self-healing cutting surface. So I can't wait to get this one. Looking forward to having my dies not jump around. But anyway, just wanted to jump back on and correct that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.